Every year we ask ourselves, what will they think of next? How will they make our phones even better? Well, Apple has an answer with the brand new iPhone 16. It's here and it's packed with new tech. Is it a game changer? Let's dive in. We're talking about a new phone that promises to be faster, sleeker, and smarter than ever before. From its design to its features, the iPhone 16 is designed to impress. But is it all just hype, or is there real substance behind the shiny new exterior? Over the next few sections, we'll break down everything the iPhone 16 has to offer. We'll explore its design, performance, camera capabilities, and more. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of what this phone is all about and whether it lives up to the hype. So, buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of Apple's latest and greatest. The iPhone 16 is here, and it's time to see what it's all about. The first thing you'll notice about the iPhone 16 is its design. Apple has made some subtle but noticeable changes. The edges are a bit more rounded, and it feels even better in your hand. They've kept the flat edge design, but it's been refined for comfort. The display is bigger, now at a whopping 6.8 inches on the Pro Max. That's a lot of screen real estate for your videos and games. And yes, they finally did it. The notch is gone. Apple has managed to shrink the front-facing camera and sensors, giving you an even more immersive display. The colors are fresh too. You've got your classics, but there's a new blue that is really eye-catching. It's all about that premium feel, and the iPhone 16 definitely delivers. Overall, it's a sleek and modern design that feels great to hold and use. Apple has always been known for its attention to detail, and the iPhone 16 is no exception. From the placement of the buttons to the smoothness of the glass, everything about this phone feels meticulously crafted. Whether you're using it for work or play, the iPhone 16 adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle, and it looks stunning in any light, making it a true standout. Let's talk performance. The iPhone 16 gets a serious upgrade with the new A17 chip. This thing is a beast. Apple claims it's their fastest chip yet, and it shows. Apps open instantly, games run smoother, and everything just feels snappier. They've also bumped up the RAM, which means better multitasking. You can switch between multiple apps without any lag or stutter. And for those who love to game, the graphics performance is off the charts. We're talking console-quality graphics on a phone. The iPhone 16 can handle anything you throw at it, and with the improved battery life, you can game for even longer. Apple has really outdone themselves with the A17 chip. It's a testament to their commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile performance. Now, how does the iPhone 16 compare to last year's iPhone 15? Well, it's definitely a noticeable upgrade. The A17 chip is significantly faster, and the extra RAM makes a big difference in everyday use. Apps load faster, games run smoother, and the overall experience is just snappier. The camera also sees some improvements, especially in low-light conditions. But is it a giant leap? That's debatable. The iPhone 15 was already a very capable phone. If you're not a power user, you might not notice a huge difference in everyday tasks. But for those who demand the absolute best performance, the iPhone 16 is the clear winner. It really comes down to your individual needs and budget. If you want the latest and greatest, the iPhone 16 is the way to go. But if you're happy with your iPhone 15, you're not missing out on anything groundbreaking. Section 5. Cameras capturing the future. Apple always hypes up their cameras, and the iPhone 16 is no exception. They've made some big claims about low-light performance and image quality. So how does it actually perform? In a word, impressive. The main sensor is bigger, which means it captures more light. This is especially noticeable in low-light situations, where the iPhone 16 produces brighter and clearer photos than its predecessor. They've also improved their image processing, resulting in more natural-looking photos with accurate colors. The new cinematic mode for video is pretty cool too. It adds a shallow depth of field effect to your videos, making them look more cinematic. And the best part is, you can adjust the focus after you've shot the video. Overall, the iPhone 16's camera is a significant upgrade over the iPhone 15. It's capable of capturing stunning photos and videos in any situation. Whether you're a casual user or a photography enthusiast, you'll be impressed with what this camera can do. Section 6. The price of innovation. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The iPhone 16 is expensive. There's no way around it. Starting at $799 for the base model, it's one of the priciest phones on the market. And if you want the Pro Max with all the bells and whistles, be prepared to shell out over $1,000. But here's the thing, you get what you pay for. The iPhone 16 is a premium device with top-of-the-line components, a beautiful display, and an incredible camera. It's a powerful tool that can do it all. The question is it worth the price? That's a question only you can answer. If you're someone who demands the absolute best and uses their phone extensively, then the iPhone 16 might be worth the investment. But for many, the price will be a major barrier to entry. There are plenty of other great phones on the market that offer excellent value for money. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual needs and budget. Section 7. Should you upgrade? So the big question is, should you upgrade to the iPhone 16? Well, it depends. If you're coming from an older iPhone, like an iPhone 13 or earlier, then the iPhone 16 is a huge upgrade. You'll notice a significant difference in performance, camera quality, and overall user experience. But if you're rocking an iPhone 15, the upgrade might not be as tempting. Yes, the iPhone 16 is better, but the differences might not be significant enough to warrant the high cost of upgrading. If you're happy with your current phone, you can probably wait another year or two before upgrading. Ultimately, the decision to upgrade is a personal one. Consider your needs, budget, and how much you value having the latest and greatest technology. Section 8, iPhone 16, a market disruptor? Will the iPhone 16 be a market disruptor? It's hard to say for sure, but it definitely has the potential to shake things up. Its combination of powerful performance, an impressive camera system, and sleek design makes it a compelling choice for consumers. Apple has once again raised the bar for what a smartphone can be. However, the smartphone market is more competitive than ever. Samsung, Google, and other manufacturers are constantly innovating and releasing impressive devices. The iPhone 16 faces stiff competition, and it remains to be seen whether it can capture a significant market share. Only time will tell how the iPhone 16 will impact the competitive landscape. One thing is for sure, Apple's latest offering is a force to be reckoned with. It's a reminder that Apple is still a major player in the tech world, and they're not afraid to push boundaries. Section 9. The future is in your hands. The iPhone 16 is more than just a phone. It's a statement. It represents Apple's vision for the future of mobile technology. A future where our phones are more powerful, more intuitive, and more integrated into our lives than ever before. Whether you're an Apple diehard or just a casual observer, there's no denying that the iPhone 16 is an impressive piece of technology. It's a testament to how far smartphones have come and a glimpse into what the future holds. The iPhone 16 is a powerful tool that can do amazing things, but ultimately, it's up to you to decide how you use it. The future is in your hands.